Oh, it's interesting. Resolution I want to do that. I have never game. My name, Rose. That's not my actual name. I'm just putting in my name. Okay, man. Get back. Me. Okay. Member. Chase down this rabbit like no one cares. Okay, let's head back to my member. I don't know what's going on. I have never played this game. I'm running backwards. Just go! Who the heck is this? Like I said, I have no idea what's going on. I now kill the bell. Can I eat them? No, I can't. What is this? Go for that bear. And let's attack the bear. And there's a snake too. And there's a snake too. So I'm just gonna keep attacking. Just keep attacking. Keep attacking. I died. I get killed. I can kill a bear, but a snake can kill me. Are you kidding me? Well, I'm a wolf. Let's go face off this horse. Battling the horse. I killed the horse. Now I'm gonna run. I don't know what I'm doing. I leveled up. I leveled up. I'm going to attack this goat. Now time to get revenge on the snake. Come here, snake. Revenge. No. And I like this beat. It makes me want to move my feet. I get killed by a snake and I don't know why. Because I'm stupid. I don't want to help you. I just want to play your beautiful game. Let's go see. if we can find something to eat. I'm gonna go see if I can fight the spirit wolf. Spirit wolf. Spirit wolf. Hey, spirit wolf. You. Oh great, your snake is back. I need help. You gotta be kidding me. What's the third time I died by a snake? How come I can't kill snakes? I can kill bears, but I can't kill snakes apparently. I'm gonna grab this one, cause I can't, but I can, apparently. I want to go fight. Wait, build. Great, now I'm getting chased. Attack, attack, attack. Come on, beat up, beat up. Yeah, yeah. And charge, yes. Let's go if we can find something other, anything other than a snake. You gotta be kidding me. I said other than a snake. I didn't say snake. Oh great. Tag team, are you serious? I'm gonna kill both of you. Ah yeah! Okay, let's go. I like this beat. I'm gonna climb the hill because I want to see what animals are up here. Ooh, rabbit, 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 mine, mine. Dang it. Where's that rabbit? Okay, I took the first hit. No. Oh. Why do I keep getting killed by a snake? It's annoying, I know. What the heck was that? How do you upgrade? Betty, how do you upgrade? I love a bunch of YouTubers. Please love me. That's all I wanted. I need attack leveled up. Attack. A bunch of an attack. Okay. Now let's go and find ourselves a snake, so I can beat them up, 'cause I'm tired of them beating me. Attack, attack. Oh, no, I'm getting tag teamed. Of course I couldn't win. I was getting tag teamed by a snake on a horse. Dude, why would I do that? I'm just gonna go sit in a corner and be sad. I'm not gonna be good. Oh, Jesus. I like this beat. It makes me want. I'm gonna go get revenge on that horse. And then I'll go for the snake. Snake. Oh yeah. Now time to go fight the snake. 'Cause I'm leveled up. I bet I can beat him. And let's go. They're down there. The ones who killed me. What? Okay, why am I getting triple teamed? Yes, I killed 2 snakes. Take that, snakes. You won't try to kill this beauty. Let me tell you something. You're not. Yank. Why am I attacking a dead bird? I don't know, I'm stupid. My wolf is stupid. Now back to chasing a rabbit. Great. Bears, bears, bears everywhere. Bears, bears, bears. Where? Bearsy hutty. Now I'm getting triple teamed. Nothing can beat me. Beat me. Yeah, baby. I know how to. I'm gonna take this horse down the town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, trying to get attacked by a bear, but I killed it somehow. Okay, guys, that will be it for today. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I upload a video. Goodbye. And come on. Ugh. Worst exit ever. Goodbye, guys.